Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first color name: light green color, pink color, blue color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, light pink color, green color, yellow color. Kids, shapes drawing: heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Black color shapes drawing: heart. Kids, heart. Moon. Kids, moon. Triangle. Kids, triangle. Hexagon. Kids, hexagon. Cloud. Sun. Kids, sun. Color fill, kids. Color fill. Pink color, heart. Kids, pink color, kids, heart. Pink color, kids, heart. Black color, kids. Moon. Green color, kids. Triangle. Orange color, kids. Hexagon. Brown color, kids. Cloud. Cloud. Sky blue color, kids. Sun. Kids, colors name and shapes name: heart, moon, triangle, hexagon, cloud, sun. Kids, this video like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.